That's so good. That's too damn good. Damn, that's easy on put. It's fire. Yep. Bruh, y'all just don't even know, man. It's been 49 days without meat. Y'all think 49 days isn't that long, but you tried not eating meat for 49 days, and you tell me if that shit feels like an eternity, okay? But bite of that chicken. That's the crunch. We got our sauces here. We got ketchup, hot sauce, like Vietnamese hot sauce, but also we got some of this Louisiana and honey duo right here. Then after that, eat it with some of this rice. This onion, serrano pepper. This cucumber salad that